Where are we going now? Open. Wow, what? Open the door. It's locked. Look. It's locked. Can't open. It's locked. But that's the pool that we swim in. That's too cold to be swimming today. Oh, no, sorry. Remember the baby pool over here? Remember the baby pool? We brought you this one? Come over here. Follow me. Follow, 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 follow me. Oh, yucky. Don't touch that. God, you're like a magnet to the things you shouldn't go to. Right here, see? There's a baby pool. Remember, we brought you to the baby pool. We swam in there. Yeah, we used to swim in there a lot, remember? We need to come back one of these mornings before it starts getting really, really cold. You could go on the top of the hill. You want to keep going up the hill? Yeah, you can look down. Pretty cool, huh? You can get up higher. Your brother used to play up on here with his buddies all the time. Oh, you want me to throw the ball? You want me to throw it? Or you want to throw it? You want to throw it in there? It looks like Cookie Monster? Oh, it's Catboy. Oh, okay. Look at the pretty flowers. Halloween. You look like The Shining. Sticking your head through there. Say, I'm home. Gecko. Yeah, sticks, everything. Wow. Look at this tree. Come and feel this tree. Smooth. Smooth. Touch it. Look how smooth it is. Okay, you can get nerdy like that. You're so silly. What are you trying to do, man? You're just a destroyer of everything. You're a destructo baby. Whoa. Pretty neat. Are you gonna still smash? Wow, that's kind of nerdy. I think we need to get you a play date. What is that, man? You got ants in your pants? Yes, pink flowers. What color? Pink, yep. Lots of little flowers, huh? Just watch out for ants. You see any ants? You don't want them to bite you again. You might want to squat instead of just sitting down. Look, Harper. I got a pretty flower for a pretty little lady. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Princess Harper! Yeah, come look. Look what I got for you, my little princess. Da-dun, 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 da-dun. Look, for you. Hey, princess. They are pink. Pretty pink flowers for a pretty little angel. Halloween. Pumpkin. Pink pumpkin. You're so silly. Those are pretty flowers over there. What color? A blue pumpkin. Watch where you're going, watch where you're going. Ooh, there was some poop there too, y'all. I'm telling you, you're like a magnet to the spots you ain't supposed to go to. That poop was drawing you in. Alright, let's go down. That was a pretty long hike we did. Yeah, we went on a hike. That's good exercise. We're going downhill, so. Yeah. No more balls. We got some at home, though, but right now, that's all of it. There you go. You can play with them there. Because there was ants by the other ones, yeah. Ah, you're sniffing. You gotta stop sniffing everything, Chump. There you go. You can play with it here. It's a bunch of pink flowers. Whoa! Squishy, squishy. You can... Amaya? They're Mayas? What is that? Chicken dance? Na 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 na. They're blowing away. The wind's blowing them. Yeah. Maya, Maya. Are you a little pony? Nay, nay. You're hopping like a little pony. This way, pony. Oh. Now we gotta get ready to go home. Mommy's coming home for lunch. Yep. So we gotta go get lunch.